What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have the final review on Salvino JR Moto's next gen NASCAR. This is their 2022 and 2023 Mustang. So this is the 2022 Joey Logano's championship car. So this is actually very cool. I built this one for one of the main reasons is I wanted to do a how-to video on how to lay down decals, because this is actually one of the more easier decals, or one of the easier cars I should say, for builders that want to or start getting into NASCAR building and don't have a lot of experience on decals. This one actually is one of the more simplified paint schemes, because you really have to just paint the body color or just keep it in the yellow it's molded in, because it is molded into the correct yellow, and all you have to do is just put on the decals, because the decals takes care of the rest. I will say the only thing that is fiddly on this decal sheet or about this car is the fenders. The fender decals were kind of a pain. I did not record myself because I just couldn't help myself. It was just really frustrating. That was really the only part frustrating about this decal sheet, was just the fenders, getting the fenders lined up. But other than that, the rest of them made down nice. So here is, I'll leave a link in the description to that video if you want to know how to get into decaling and start doing these next gen or any kind of NASCAR modeling, because that is one of the reasons why most people are kind of afraid or just don't want to do NASCAR, because of the decals. People just don't want to do and deal with decals, and you know, that's kind of one of the reasons, and I kind of get that. But once you do it, they're amazing and you just want to do them over and over again. But yeah, Joey Logano's NASCAR. Let's go ahead and give her a spin. If I can find the switch. There we go. So yeah, very cool. And this is actually one of the cooler paint schemes. Well, actually, it's this main paint scheme. So decals laid out nice. You do have to use Marco Set and Saw. These decals do require both. Make sure you are using a lot of Marco Set, because as soon as these decals lay down on the body, they are going to stick immediately. These decals are very sticky. Not really sure why they're like that, but they are. So make sure you are putting down a lot of Marco Saw, because they are one heck of a sticky decal mess. But other than that, that's pretty much about it. There are some 3D printed parts on here. I will give you a coupon code, because this particular designer has given me a coupon code. It is from KW Design, which is his wheels, brake rotors, whole brake assembly, exhaust, and the gas fuel cap, and a few other pieces here and there. But those are the main ones, and these parts are very detailed and they look absolutely incredible. So yeah, right there is a coupon code. This is for his Coats 3D page, those who have 3D printers. So go over to Coats 3D. I'll leave a link to his website down in the description, and basically just get all his NASCAR parts for this next gen NASCAR. It's amazing. They fit on all the cars, Chevy, Camaro, Chevy, Ford, and the Toyota. They fit on all of them because they're basically the same chassis style. But yeah, get all these next gen NASCAR parts he has. There's a coupon code that is good for 30% off. So that's pretty cool, and make sure you print them up, and yeah, they're really nice, and it is really going to detail up your model much more realistic. So the window net is made of what is that, metro tape, because I wanted to, like, I guess, flap down obviously. The decal sheet did include the window decals that has the black trim. Me personally, I don't like that. I just don't really care for that. So what I did, I just painted the black trim on myself. Only thing I just used a decal on was the Joey Logano banners, front and back, the quarter window, and the orange dampening for suspension. That's it. That's all I use for decals on the window, because you know they do include all the black and stuff on there, but I seriously don't make that. I used it on my first next gen NASCAR build, which is the Camaro, and I did not care for it at all. But it was kind of too late, because I already glued the windows on and stuff. But yeah, so I don't really care for that. So I'd rather just mask off all the windows and just paint the black on myself. I just used Tamiya flat black for the airbrush, and then it just looks, to me, it looks more better and more realistic. And yeah, I just don't really care for decals on windows. So that's pretty much about for the exterior. Well, I want to everything. This is actually carbon fiber from Skill Motorsports. Again, this is Also front splitter. They do, Jaguar models, they do include a black decal. It's just supposed to represent the carbon fiber, but it's actually not carbon fiber. So it's actually carbon fiber on the real car. So yeah, so we got that on there. The interior, pretty nice. We got a custom 3D printed dashboard, steering wheel, shifter. So all those parts look pretty good. It's the more accurate dashboard than the one that comes in the kit. The seat, we just did black, and then Joey Logano's championship car, it was just a black seat, like a gloss black seat. I checked very closely. It wasn't carbon, I don't think. It wasn't matte. It was just, you know, it was just gloss black. So we did gloss black. And for the whole interior, we did plain white, flat white, and then we just did one coat of 2K clear on the whole interior, because it is actually shiny on the real car. So that's pretty much about it. And the engine bay, you know, nothing too special. It's just all venting, all carbon fiber. I just did all carbon like it is a real car. So I didn't do any wiring because, you know, there's no need, because the engine's completely hidden under all those stuff. So I didn't waste my time with all the wires and stuff. But we did wire and detail the engine, or the interior and stuff. But other than that, that's pretty much about it. The kit is amazing. If you've never built one of these JR models, make sure you take your time, go slow, because there are some parts on here that are kind of fiddly. So you do have to take your time, go slow, read the instructions, and you'll get through it. Yeah, like the little fiddly, the suspension's a little fiddly. Part of the roll cage is not too bad, but a little bit fiddly. So if you're a first time builder of these next gen cars from JR models, you might find some things that makes no sense. But once you get a feel of it and you build a few of these, this is my third one I built, and you would definitely get used to it easily. So, but yeah, good kits, and I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot more of them, so in the future. But that'll be it for this video. Again, coupon code 2KWs is down in the description, and also his website is in the description. Get these 3D printed parts for yourself, guys. And again, these are for people who have 3D printers, because you do have to print them yourself. Those are just for the files, for the wheels and stuff, okay? And use that coupon code, 30% off, and again, you will not be disappointed. But other than that, guys, stay tuned. I have pictures of it in the photo booth. But until next video, I'll catch you next time.
Take